2017 Ford F-150, 2017 Ford F-150 EcoBoost. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Sound decibels, go ahead. About 91, 92. We'll let you guys hear it after we're done with it. So, 17 Ford F-150. I'm going to show you what it looks like under there before. It's got stock converters there and there, EcoBoost. Then it's got a miniature resonator, a regular muffler, and a 3-inch tailpipe. So we're going to take this muffler off and put a DYNOMAX bullet in its place. And if it's not loud enough, then we'll take this resonator off. We'll see how she sounds first with just putting a DYNOMAX bullet in the place of this one. We'll let you guys see it after. So we showed you guys before, this is after. 2017 Ford F-150. Still got the factory converters. We kept the factory resonator. Then we put a DYNOMAX race bullet right there. 3-inch pipe in place of that massive muffler there. And we put a dual 4-inch tip out the back right there, blue flame. There it is. That's what you guys do. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There's the muffler and tip that we cut off. We'll let you guys hear it. It's about 113 at peak. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
It's got a throatiness when you get on it, you know, but when it's sitting still, it's deep.
Yeah, I like that. Sound like a truck.
Yeah. Ford F-150 Sport EcoBoost. We'll let you guys hear on the inside. Sounds good.
1 hour later.
So he took it down the street, and then he goes, "Sounds like a Honda. I want it louder." I said, "Okay." So he brought it back. Still got the stock converters, and we cut the resonator off right there. Still has the DYNOMAX bullet there, and the 3-inch pipe and the tip the same. I'll let you guys hear it. Show you the difference now in sound. I'll let you guys see in a minute. Let's see how much of a difference it makes. Go ahead. Now it's up, with the resonator off, now it's up to 114 in sound decibels. Much better. Not choking it anymore. You like it? Or you want it louder? We can go louder. True dual. But it's a lot more expensive. Gotta back it out.
True dual.
Yeah, 2 pipes all the way back like we did on that Avalanche.
How much is that?
You're looking at about 800. It's a work truck, remember? lot better.
That is deep, right? It's deep.
A lot. Now we did the resonator delete on it too. Sounds a lot better.